Hi, Rich Karuba for bowlingball.com. Let's talk about the best bowling equipment in today's market. And let's talk about ways you can find some of them and, review some information about them and help you make a wise decision in your next equipment purchase. Now, bowling equipment is a range of from bowling balls, bowling shoes, bowling bags, bowling accessories, and so on. And all that's available right here at our site. All you have to do on our homepage at bowlingball.com is just look at the buttons that stretch across near the top, and it says bowling balls, bowling shoes, bags, accessories, and so on. Click on that, and it'll bring up a lot of different options by the leading manufacturers. Virtually all the most popular products that are offered on the market today, we have available to you. All you have to do is just click on the image of any product, and it'll further open up and give you description details and so on. Just want to steer you to how to use the site to help find the best bowling equipment in the industry. We talk about bowling balls, and that's the best place to start. You have, all the leading manufacturers available here at the site. You can find Roto-Grip, Hammer, Storm, DV8, Brunswick, Ebonite, our own bowlingball.com exclusive products. And examples might be the Roto-Grip Shooting Star or the Hammer Taboo Electric, the Storm Virtual Gravity, the DVA Hellraiser series, and on and on. Brunswick makes some great bowling balls. They're all Ebonite as well. I don't want to leave anybody out. But please go there and check around and look into it. You'll find some great options for you. And what we've itemized in the article just above this video on our site, you can click on any one of the links to a few examples of these bowling balls, and it'll give you the information that I referred to earlier. Next is bowling shoes. Same thing. We've itemized several by manufacturers such as Dexter and Brunswick and Etonic and Pyramid and 3G, all the top brand and most popular manufacturers today that shoppers look for in bowling shoes. Next, bowling bags. We have the Brunswick KR Strike Force series, Storm, Roto-Grip, Ebonite. They're all available. We just list a few examples in the article. Again, click on the links and read some of the description details and see some really colorful images of these products as well. And finally, bowling accessories. Bowling accessories, we have a wonderful array of accessories ourselves from bowlingball.com, and the price is great. You can get the bowlingball.com Monster Pad. It's a microfiber sponge, or the Monster Tack Ball Cleaner, or perhaps just a microfiber bowling towel by bowlingball.com. Or you can find any of the other wonderful things like Brunswick bowling tape and Ebonite Ultra Grip tape, or Skin Protector by Brunswick, for example. We have it all. All you have to do is just go to the site, click around, do a little research on your own. Don't wait for somebody else to tell you. And one good feature about these accessory products or all this bowling equipment is that we have free shipping every day and no hidden handling charges. And it comes right to your doorstep very promptly, easy service to use. So why not wait? Check your bag carefully, especially for accessory items. Then take a look and see what you don't have, and maybe make an order for several things at one time so you get them all at once and your bowling bag is completely supplied or stocked of the most common things like ball polishes, cleaners, towels, bowling tape, skin protector, bowling shoe protectors, any of those type of things that are handy for you to use every time you go to the bowling center. That's just a little tip to help save you some time and money. Anyway, we appreciate your visiting and hope these tips help. Thank you.